Hi and welcome back to Mini Bike Store video blog. In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing and I will show you how to properly assemble the GT RAZER 1000W 48V electric car from Nitro Motors. This is how the car looks like in the box, and let's open the box and see what we have inside. So here is how the car looks like outside of the cardboard box. Inside we have a heavy duty steel frame to secure the car in the transport. All parts are secured with the bubble foil. So now I will show you how to properly assemble the car. So first we need to remove all the parts. Here we have the wheels. Here we have the back with the user manuals and some tools. On this side, here we have the box with the charger. Next, cut the tape here which holds the rear wing and remove the rear wing. So, remove the rear wing. Next you will need to remove all the boards here which hold the frame, the ones on the bottom, all the boards all around. So after you remove the frame, you can remove the foil. So we need to start assembly from installing the wheels. First we will need to install the front wheels. So as you can see, there are two sizes of the wheels. These ones are wider ones, so we need to take the slimmer one and install the front ones. For easy installation you can leave the car and place the rear wheel under. Just like this. Next, remove the nuts. Insert the wheel in position. Insert the bolt through it and secure it with the nut. And the second bolt, and the last one. Now tight well all three bolts. And install the wheel on the other side. So after you installed both wheels, you can remove the wheel here which we have placed it before we installed the wheel. Next you will need to install the rear wheel. First you have to cut this wire here which holds the axle into the frame. And the same on the other side. The procedure to install the rear wheel is exactly the same as the front ones. So you need to remove the bolts first. And install the wheel on the other side. So once you have installed all four wheels, you can open this bag here. In the bag you will find the remote control to start and stop the car. User manuals in English language. We highly recommend that you read user manuals before you use the car for the first time. Here in the back we have the keys, the main keys and the keys to change the speed settings, and the bag with tools and bolts. Next you will need to install the rear wing. When you look close under the body, you have to put these two parts just under the frame here, just like this. I hope you can see it. Next, place this part on the top, insert the bolt through it. So once you place the bolt like this, on the bottom you have to lift the rear wing till it catch the nut. Next, insert the second bolt. So we have the rear wing assembled. So now we have the GT RAZER 1000W electric car fully assembled. As you can see, it comes in 90% pre-assembled from the box. We just have to put together all 4 wheels and the rear wing. Before the first use, you have to plug in a charger and fully charge the batteries. In the next video we're gonna test the car, so stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like the car, you can purchase it from our website, the link to our shop is in the description. So thanks guys for watching and see you in the next video.